Struggling to make your jobber invoices stand out and truly reflect your brand? Ever wished you could tweak those default templates to better suit your unique business needs, adding that professional touch that sets you apart from the competition? If you're nodding your head, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the often overlooked, yet incredibly powerful world of jobber invoice customization. For many field service businesses, an invoice is just an invoice, a necessary evil, a document to get paid. But what if I told you it could be so much more? What if your invoice could be a subtle marketing tool, a testament to your professionalism, and a clear, easy-to-understand summary of the value you've provided? The truth is, a generic, unbranded invoice can diminish the perceived value of your service, even if the work itself was impeccable. It can feel impersonal, almost like an afterthought. And in a competitive market, every detail matters. Think about it. You've just completed a fantastic job. Your client is happy, the work is top-notch. Then you hand them an invoice that looks like it was generated by a robot, with no personality, no branding, no clear breakdown that resonates with them. It's a missed opportunity. A well-customized invoice, on the other hand, reinforces your brand identity, showcases your professionalism, and makes the payment process smoother and more transparent for your clients. It's an extension of your service, a final touch that leaves a lasting positive impression. Jobber, being the incredibly robust platform it is, understands this. They've built in a surprising amount of flexibility when it comes to customizing your invoices, but sometimes, knowing where to start can be the biggest hurdle. You might be wondering, can I really change the colors? Add my logo prominently? Include specific terms and conditions without them looking like an afterthought? The answer to all those questions and more is a resounding yes. And by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to transform your jobber invoices from generic forms into powerful brand assets. We're going to cover everything from the basic visual tweaks like adding your logo and choosing accent colors, to more advanced features like custom fields, payment terms, and even how to manage your line item descriptions for ultimate clarity. We'll break down each step in a clear, actionable way so you can follow along, pause the video, and implement these changes in your own jobber account as we go. No more fumbling through menus or guessing what each setting does. We're going to demystify the entire process. So, grab a coffee, open up your jobber account, and let's get started on making your invoices work harder for you. First things first, let's talk about the foundational elements of your invoice's appearance. Log into your jobber account and navigate to the settings menu. You'll typically find this by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Once in settings, look for branding. This is where the magic begins for your overall company look. Within branding, you'll see options to upload your company logo. This is paramount. Your logo is the most immediate visual representation of your brand. Make sure it's a high-resolution image that looks crisp and clear. Jobber will place this prominently on your invoices, estimates, and other client-facing documents. Think about how many times your clients see your logo on their invoices. It's a constant reinforcement of your brand. Next, still within branding, you'll find brand colors. This is where you can select your primary and secondary brand colors. These colors will be applied to various elements on your invoices, such as headings, lines, and action buttons. Consistency is key here. If your brand uses specific colors, ensure you input the correct hex codes or select the closest match. This consistency across all your touchpoints helps build a strong, recognizable brand identity. Don't underestimate the psychological impact of color. It can evoke feelings of trust, professionalism, or even warmth. Now, let's move specifically to invoice settings. Back in settings, navigate to jobber account and then to invoices. This section is a treasure trove of customization options specifically for your invoices. One of the most important aspects here is the invoice template. While Jobber provides standard templates, you can tailor them further. This is where you can decide what information is displayed and how it's organized. Do you want to show itemized details of every service and material, or a more summarized view? Jobber allows you to toggle the visibility of various fields. For example, you can choose to show or hide things like discount, tax summary, or property addresses. Tailor this based on what makes the most sense for your clients and your business model. For some businesses, a detailed breakdown is crucial for transparency. For others, a simpler summary might be preferred. Scrolling down, you'll see invoice footer. This is a powerful, yet often underutilized, section. This is your prime real estate for important information that appears at the bottom of every invoice. What should you put here? Well, consider your payment terms. Clearly stating payment is due within 15 days of invoice date, or late payments may incur a percent fee, can prevent misunderstandings and encourage timely payments. You can also include a brief thank you message, your social media handles, or even a call to action like, leave us a review on Google, or refer a friend and get a discount on your next service. This transforms your invoice from a simple request for payment into a communication tool. Beyond the footer, let's talk about custom fields. This is where Jobber truly shines in terms of flexibility. If there's specific information you always need on your invoices that isn't a standard Jobber field, custom fields are your answer. Maybe you need a specific project code, a client's internal reference number, or a particular certification number that's relevant to your industry. You can create custom fields for properties, clients, jobs, or invoices themselves. Once created, you can then choose to display these custom fields on your invoices. This ensures all the necessary information is present, reducing back-and-forth communication and streamlining your workflow. Another crucial area for customization, though not directly on the invoice template itself, is how you manage your services and products. Navigate to Settings and then Products and Services. The descriptions you create for each service and product here are what will populate on your invoices. Take the time to write clear, concise, and professional descriptions. Avoid jargon where possible. Remember, your clients are reviewing these descriptions to understand what they are paying for. You can even include internal notes for your team that won't show on the client invoice, which is a fantastic organizational tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.